What's up guys, and welcome to the 57th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In today's tutorial, it's all about hashtag if defined. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is type in hashtag define debug, all in capital letters, and then int main, parentheses, next line, curly braces, hashtag if defined debug, again in capitals, next line, std, colon, colon, cout, smaller than, and then debugging, new line, close that off, next line, and if, all in hashtag. Copy this line and paste it. Command C, Command V. Semicolon, semicolon, close that off. Run this, and now we should see debugging, and that needs to be changed to running. Compile, execute, run. There we have debugging and running. Goes into the program. If yes, debug, looks at this, and if looks at this, running. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.